Renard.
All right, y'all, what's going on, my people? Welcome to the SN95 Power Channel. I just took the car out. We are parked in a bad spot, kind of over there, but kind of testing out the coolant system. I never rocked a 180 T-stat before, so we are testing that out. It regulated fine. It's a real cool day out here today, so we're gonna hang out here for a while. We'll take it back out, beat up on it, see how it does. I love my tubular GT40 intake, but one day I'm gonna get me one of these Victor Juniors. For one, the performance reasons, and two, gosh, look how you can take your valve cover off with without having to take the intake off. I love that. You know, $1,500, I think $1,600 was the last time I saw one of these, upper and lower. But in my opinion, well worth it. There goes the Mustang historian again. You have to sneak up on him and see him in the wild. Let's see if we can get the Mustang historian on camera. I don't know if we can do it, but he's pretty busy right now. So when I talk about my man Orlando being the Mustang historian, I don't know how many Foxbody Celines that he has, but this is one of them. These are really becoming harder and harder to find. Beautiful color, proper taillights. Very nice. Yo, I have to say, I have regrets that I got rid of my Dow's box intake. I think this is a Vortech polymer intake. But honestly, the reason why I got rid of it, I just really didn't like the way it looked under the hood. So this is why you don't turn your car into an AKA show car. No wiper blades. The drizzle is coming, and our 100% accurate weather forecast call for no rain, but we have a little precipitation right now. But let's talk about this. Not bad. Like I said, I have a 180 thermostat in here, and now granted it's like 80 degrees outside. It's not a real hot day, and everything is regulating perfect. I used to have a 160, and the car would get down to 180, but I think with this 180 thermostat, it kind of likes to hang out around 190. So luckily this was not a long train, and I can make it home before the inaccurate forecast calls for partly cloudy, but hopefully I'll make it home before the rain. All right, y'all, so different day. Just want to go over a couple things that I just realized now that I have to do to this car. Like, let me first off say this is not a show car, and I have to really change my mindset, because simple things like not having wiper blades on, just, you know, because I want to keep the car appearance a little bit different. It's just not worth it, especially if, you know, if I'm going to be driving this car like I tend to. So yeah, if this is the show car, you know, I would just keep it in this garage and pull it out only on days where there was a 0% chance of precipitation. But, you know, with this car, I drive it, and I don't want to limit myself to when and where I want to drive it. So I got to go in the basement and try to dig up these wiper arms. I guess that's the correct terminology for it. But took it out yesterday, Plainfield cruise night. It's always a nice venue. I think tonight I'm going to hit up Lamont in Lamont, Illinois. So that's every Wednesday. These cruise nights are going to be coming to an end pretty soon. It's hard to believe it's already August already. And I feel like I really haven't done anything with this car. So I'm kind of at the point where I'm going to do a mad scramble to get this car out more and try to get a little bit more footage with it. Temperature wise, like I said, it was like in the 80s yesterday, so really didn't have a problem. Going back to what I said earlier, by this not being a show car, I want to be able to drive this car wherever and whenever. The car still struggles with, well, I haven't had it out in mid 90s or, almost 100-degree weather, but I have a feeling it would still struggle. So we got one more thing that I'm going to do to this car, and if that doesn't work, then I don't know what the heck I'm going to do. I guess just not drive it if it's like mid 90s, which would kind of suck because, I kind of want to do the power tour next year. I want to go to Mustang Week down in Texas next year. And I know to do those things, the cooling system has to be up to task for that. So one more thing I've got planned for this car, but today I'm going to clean the car up. I bought another small detailing item to try to get some of those smaller angles on the cowl hood that I wasn't able to get to with my 3-inch random orbiter. So I did that yesterday before I went out, and it came out pretty nice. So we'll do some more detailing on this car. My man Keith is having his Cars and Coffee again at KRW Performance out here in Lockport, Illinois. So if you're available Sunday, come check us out. But hey, do me a solid, tell a couple of people about the channel. I appreciate the time. Until next time, God bless.